wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Shelly Teller. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys the 2 best vitamin C serums that I feel like are out on the market right now. That can change. This is just the best that I've seen right now. Before we get into this review, make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Also hit that red subscribe button down below. Join the family. You guys know you want to be a part of the family, especially if you've been watching a few videos. You know, it's free. Hit that button. It's gonna take less than a second. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review. So the first serum I am going to be reviewing today is this vitamin C with hyaluronic acid brightening facial serum. It's by the brand Pearlescence. Here's a up close and personal look at it. First of all, I love the packaging. I like how it has this rose gold strip. Very aesthetically pleasing, you guys. When I put this in my bathroom, also just for decoration, when this bottle is done, it is staying in my bathroom because I love how it looks. It has this little white pressy top because it's like an eyedropper type of thing. So you just want to get some of it out of the bottle, and then you put a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. Let me get some more. You want to put just a little bit, like about this much is how much I use, and then I take it and I rub it on my face. And I typically use this morning and night, but mostly morning, because the next serum that I'm going to show you guys is one that you can use at night. And when it goes on really nice and soft, and it works really well. Like, I leave this on my face on the days that I don't really wear makeup, and it helps my face look really radiant and glowy, and my skin just looks amazing. I'm going to leave a picture. I don't know if you guys saw the picture in the thumbnail, but I'll leave that picture here just so you guys can see how my face looks after using that serum. It's so crazy and it's so good. It doesn't really even have a smell to it, which I like, you know, because it's going on your face. I don't really want to smell anything. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell at all, but just absolutely so good. So once it goes on your skin, do you guys see how it gives like a little bit of glow? Also, this is something that you can use underneath lotion. So you can put this on and then moisturize your face, which is pretty awesome. It has vitamin C in it, which helps hydrate your skin. And then it also gives a plump look to your face, which is really nice. This retails, I think it's about $30 to $50. But I picked this up at TJ Maxx and got an amazing deal on it. I think it was like $6 or $7. So yeah, if you guys can catch this at your local TJ Maxx, you can save a lot of money. I'm sure they have it on Amazon as well. And then also, of course, you can visit the actual Pearlescence website to find this serum. When I was younger, I never used to really wear sunblock that much, and I would be outside a lot. And I did notice over the years, I basically dealt with the sun burning my face. So my face was a lot darker than like my shoulders and my chest. So this helped me get back to just having my skin look hydrated, that natural color tone, where now my shoulder and my chest, I'm like, just basically my skin now matches, and it feels like it's more of one tone than like a whole bunch of different tones going on. So that is actually absolutely awesome, and it makes me really happy to know that this little bottle here can make that much of a difference. But yeah, this is the daily one that I use. Now let's go ahead and get into the nightly serum, because this is what you guys want to use when you're going to bed, right before you go to sleep. You want to pop this baby on right here. And again, the packaging. First of all, look how these bottles look next to each other. How cute. And I actually bought these at 2 different times, but I thought it was so cool that the rose gold here matches the rose gold on this one. This one is by Province Beauty, and it says Collagen and Retinol Night Serum. This one restores and hydrates. Again, this one has the same eyedropper type of look. The serum in this one though is not as like gooey as in this black bottle. This one is a lot more liquidy. Very, very much more liquidy. So you want to be careful how much you use, because sometimes I'll put it on my face and forget how liquidy it is, and it'll just like literally get everywhere. But this one, as you can see, this one changes the game. When I tell you guys, as soon as you put it on, you can notice the difference. It has vitamin C in it, but you can actually smell the vitamin C in this one. Like, it almost smells like if you were literally to squeeze orange juice. It smells just like the orange juice. Yeah, like literally smells just like orange juice. Collagen promotes glowing, vibrant skin. So basically, yeah, this collagen that is in this bottle, first, it makes your skin glow, vibrant. It makes your skin glow, and it also makes it vibrant. It says the essential protein provides elasticity to the skin, helping it to appear more youthful and healthy. So if any of you guys already know what retinol does, obviously it makes you look younger, it keeps your face looking younger for longer. And one thing that I was taught when I went to a spa that I still hold to this day, they say that you want to use retinol and like wrinkle cream and stuff like that before you even actually get wrinkles. That is the tea, because obviously once you get wrinkles it's too late. But if you start using serums like this now, you can avoid the wrinkles for longer and have younger, vibrant looking skin. Using them together has made such a difference in just how my skin feels. And even when I have like bumps on my face, after I wash my face, I go in and use these. This is something that is basically my night routine. It's my skin routine now. I still use the Dove body wash, but then after I use the Dove body wash on my face, I'll go in and use this vitamin C and then pair it with this collagen and retinol. And like I said, you guys, it's helped my skin so much. I really hope that you guys do try it out. I feel that you guys would really love these products. And let me know if you guys do in the comments down below. You can talk to me right down below, or you guys can message me on Instagram if you do have any other questions on this. I always reply, as long as it's about the products. But yeah, I really love them. I give them a 10 out of 10. In the description box, I'll leave some stores or some links onto where you guys can pick these up as well. I think these are by far the best vitamin C serums out there. I feel like a lot of other stuff that I use, it just looks good, but when you actually put it on your face, you don't really notice much of a difference. Whereas with these, you can put it on your face and after 2 days, you will notice the difference. I promise that you'll notice a difference within 2 days to a week. And so yeah, if you guys have ever used anything like this before, let me know. If you guys have any suggestions, please, like I said, leave a comment down below. And yeah, that's it for this review. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you next time. Shelly Teller.